Ivan, if there's one thing I know, it's that I love Australia.
Hi, I'm Ivan.
I'm Nick.
And this is DIY Detail, and we're here to welcome all our friends from Australia to DIY Detail. If you've been wanting to try DIY Detail products, you've been seeing us online because we're pretty much omnipresent, now you can go to Car Care Co. and get your own DIY Detail products.
We put YouTube videos out multiple times a week and we'll get comments. Are you available in Australia? Are you available in Australia? The answer is yes. Ivan has trained detailers all over the world.
Right.
Especially all over the country, but really you've been doing this for more than 40 years. And I'm a passionate detailer and YouTuber. We came together to start this company. Two things in mind. Professional grade, uniquely chemistry products. So these are our products and we want them to be easy enough for anybody to use. That includes a family member.
Exactly.
But pro detailers are loving this stuff as well.
Exactly. So, like we said, if you want DIY Detail products, go to Car Care Co. and they'll be happy to help you.